Good morning everyone. Now we are going to do volcano experiment. First of all we have to add water and vinegar and add any color. I am adding here red color. At last I am adding Eno powder. The largest volcano is heavy. It's called the Manala. There are around 1,500 active volcanoes in the world. Thank you.
Morning, Radha. How are you?
I am fine, Zen. What about you, Zen?
I am good. It is so hot today.
You know, right?
Let's drink some water.
It will be. Wait, are you drinking in a plastic?
Yes, wait.
It is not good. It is bad for you.
Really, how?
When plastic gets hot, it can be bad stuff in your water. It's better to use other bottles.
So, what should I use then?
Wait, let my friends tell about different types of water bottle with its advantages and disadvantages. Choose which one is better to your health.
Multiplayer water bottle advantages. Keep water cool. Clay also keeps water cool with not a fridge. Adds fresh taste from water from clay tastes fresh and nice. Natural mud from natural clay soil. Good for digestion. Help your tummy to stay healthy. Eco-friendly. Clay is safe for the earth. No chemical, no harmful chemical in clay bottles. Lightweight clay bottles are light and easy to carry. Helps with thirst. Clay water makes you feel less thirsty. Breathable. Breathable clay allows water to breathe, keeping it fresh. Look unique. Each clay bottle has its own unique design. Copper water bottle advantages. Keeps water cool. Copper helps keep water cool. Kill germs. Copper can kill harmful bacteria. Better digestion helps to your tummy feel good. Improves immunity. Strengthens your body defense. Rich in minerals. Add good minerals to the water. Natural minerals made from natural copper metal. Durable. Copper bottles last a long time. Look good. Copper has a shiny and nice look. Helps skin. Drinking copper water can make your skin healthier. Eco-friendly. Copper is a recyclable.
Thank you giving me information of a water bottle.